World, I'm a walking erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. You nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Come up in your mouth, you spoke good to me. I ain't built like you. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field.
Hi guys, it's your girl Buntle Villa guys. Intombi enyathela ngabantwana endle ngathi ayendlini encane. Back.
First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world.
Hi guys, today we're getting ready to go to ice skating again. Now when I'm boom Nina. Yeah, I've already bathed, installed my hair. So let's do that together.
Fuck the world, I'm a walking erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. You nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Come up in your mouth, you spoke good to me. I ain't built like you. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball.
Oh yeah, sunscreen. Everyone uses sunscreen.
All the niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want.
That's it for my skincare. You guys can't lie, my skin is better now. You remember the first time I started vlogging my first video? Did you see my skin? Look at it now. Period. For my outfit, I'm wearing these beige brushka pants and this plain white. It's not plain anymore, but it was plain before, so it's my brother's. This is his name, Kurtzberg, his nickname, and he also calls himself Mashamblan. And I wanted to wear it today because why not? Why not? So you're wearing that. Let me show you how it looks.
She get what she want, I go her mind what she want. Wash it off when you tie me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'm a walking erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. You nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. You nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
World, I'm a walking erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. You nigga.
This is how I look. I have to wear my techies. And yeah. It's just a simple fit. Simple. Before I go fetch my shoes, I just want you guys to see my brother's name. Isn't it cute? And the shirt looks better on me. Let's take off this thing. Hold on. Okay, it's not inches this time, but listen. I need to fetch my jewelry. And late, babe. Late. I need to fetch my jewelry, my fragrance, my shoes, and then I'm gonna show you guys. For jewelry, we're going with this necklace. I think this is my go-to necklace. Like I wear it like all the time, man. Like, and I have others. It's just that I just prefer this one. I'm actually color coordinating with my pants, né? So since my pants are like, I don't know, in the color, beige on those ones. So we're gonna go with this gold watch. It's probably my favorite watch. I wear it most of the time when I'm wearing classy, but like Kwamanje, it just matches. There you go. Cute. It's matching with the pants, you know. My matchy. For perfume, we're going with this one today. Not this today. Get Creed. Yeah. This is how it looks. Can you guys see? Like, yeah. It smells strong. It is a strong scent. Guys, my father brought food, so I'm gonna eat before I leave the house. I'm so hungry. So I've never been to Kota Joyas, and I've never tasted it before. It's so huge. Never tasted it before, so I'm pretty excited. I'm not in it because I'm hungry. Like when you come and because I was busy getting ready. I don't know. I don't want to mess myself up because I see a lot of sauce, like masosa manini. So I'm just trying to push it up so I can eat it properly. Like I've been saying, I'm gonna go to Kota Jo, but my dad was 5 steps ahead of me. Okay, no, it doesn't matter. Just I want to eat. There we go. It looks nice. Looks nice. You know me, I have to pray before I eat, so let's taste. I don't want to mess myself up. My man, every after school, jokes.
Nalo chero funa ngimi, sege
Hey guys, I'm back from ice skating. It was nice. Yeah, I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna see you guys on Friday when we go to Rustenburg for Umemulo Lunga, taking you guys on the journey. Hi guys, I'm back. So now we're currently at my brother's school. We're here to fetch him, and then after we're gonna go to Alex to fetch Mpho, and then we're on our way to Rusty Dusty.
Namgele-gele ngenani. sick, give it your way, la party.